my God! Hi! Joke! So, I'm here in Robinson's Gale. And then I'm with a friend. And we wanted to have a little bit of an adventure with Halo Halo. So, we've been together since 10 a.m. And umabot kami here to find this one. It's Halo Halo Story. So, we ordered the ubeng ube. Ang arte, te. Yeah, yeah, it's so mainit. So there, we ordered this one. It's the ube. It's a three ube type thing in Halo Halo Story. So actually, initially, we wanted to be go rather white, in the White Plains branch. Kaya lang wala namang iikutan pa doon. So we're going to try out this Halo Halo. Hard to open, so arte. So yun, it took me a while to open it because of my arte nails. But then yeah, it's here na. Meron siyang, it's tunaw na. And meron siyang champolang nasog na. So sobrang tagal kung ma-open. And then meron siyang very cute na lalagyan ng spoon and fork. Namuntik lang tumalsik. And then this. So you'll just eat this first na. Okay. So, meron siyang ube, milk, and then the ice also has ube. It's ube ice. May cheese. Ito. And parang meron siyang pearls ba to? Gulaman, gelatin. And also has a big ube. And may corn. So, it's okay naman. But, it's parang fusion of quickly and zagu na ube. So, 188 pesos. Okay naman siya. Okay. So, I'm making halo-halo na. And then, dito yung nag-surprise sa akin. May giant pearl siya, guys. Hindi ko in-expect na gano'n. So, paano mo siya siguro din, well, to be fair to the brand, baka naman, because it took me a while to open the cup. But then, it's majority ng pag dinukot mo siya like that. Ayan na siya agad. Boom. Pearls. And then, of course, the other sahogs. Oh, this is ice. But, I think it also has a bit of nata. And, parang din nga, itong gelatin ube na. Gelatin ube. Sige, baka naman nga, it took me a while to open it. Medyo mabagal din kasi. But like, sige, fine. Okay naman siya overall. And it's quite perfect for drinking. Yeah. It's quite perfect for the very scorching heat of the Philippines. Arte. So, it's okay naman. And if you really love ube, you go for the ubeng. The variant. So, yun. I'll just eat this with my friend first and then we'll see if, ayun, may nahiwalay na pearls, guys. May kasama siyang cheese and meron siyang gelatin. And a bit of corn. Game? So, yun. You have to eat it na this way na lang. Actually, to give you a quick review of the Halo Halo, hindi siya powdered ube. It's actually legit ube as an registered ube enthusiast. Yun nga lang, the pearls are already clumped up. Yun naman, okay naman siya. actually, hindi siya nakakaumay na ube. Okay naman siya talaga. With no joke. Ito lang talaga yung medyo cons for me. Like, I love pearls, pero like, I can't eat it in the vlog. Isusubong ko siyang buo. Hindi ko malulumunto ng buo, guys. Ang laki nito. Paunti-unti lang dapat yan. So, yun. Aside from this con, naubos ko na yung aking ube shake. Ay, wait, di ba isipin nyo, hindi ako, hayaan ko na lang madumi yung plate. Hindi naman, ay plate, yung table. Malinis ako. I wipe. So yun, if you're wondering if this is worth 188 pesos, for me it's not. Pero kasi, halo-halo nga siya eh. Puro ube lang yung natikman ko. And I'm not buying naman ube shake with corns and pearls. So it's a no for me. So I won't go back. Lalo na So yun, it's no naman. No, it's just a hype. So, kakainin ko pa ba to o hindi na? Let me know in the comments, please. Is this worth eating pa?